Good afternoon, good afternoon. Just woke up. Just woke up. Ang dami na kagad ah. What's up everyone? You guys wanna play? What's up? Bagong gising tama. Kakagising ko lang. Kumusta tulog? Saglit lang. Nakatulog ako ng sobrang late guys. Like super. I slept around 6 a.m. or 5. I'll play Valo muna because it's been super tagal na.
Match found.
Di nyo rinig boses ko. How's Hanika? She's fine. Rinig naman pala eh. Ilang oras tulog ko? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 hours. Tapos, wow. Ba't hindi nalag? Naglag na. Wala na akong aim.
Stay alive. I want their
What game yun,
life,
bro?
not yours.
This is Valorant, guys.
Fight. Adios.
Yeah, Valorant. Roblox ako aga. Anika. Ha? Ha? Naglalaro si kuya eh. You wanna play? Ay, bawal din naman ikaw. Is it possible to play with you? Yes, of course, guys. You can play with me. Kaya nga, wala rin akong tulog ako na. At least wala tayo nagtulog. Why am I lagging so bad?
Dominating.
Wow. Anong gamit pang laro? What do you mean?
Results.
After net na mag-Roblox na ako para mapaglaro lahat. Lakas niya talaga. Ang lakas niya talaga sa akin. Whoa, that's fire. Guys, my name sa Roblox is Jeromy 02. Ah! What's that? Why is it so loud?
Results. Forfeit.
Pick me. Nah, bro.
10 kills remaining. Dominating.
Whoa, that's... Ooh. Ah, okay.
You're done.
Yo, what the? Hey.
Phoenix gear.
Yo, what? Hey,
5 kills remaining.
what's up guys? Dami nyo kagad nanonood ngayon ah. Roblox ako after na ito. Look at that lag oh.
One kill remaining.
Come out, come out. Ah, yes, it's me. Jeremy's here too. Ayun yung anong ko. That's my username, guys. Okay. Wait, I'll open. I'ma open my Roblox lang. Roblox player. Kanina pa na live. I started my live around 12:50. Yeah, 12:50. Uy, automatic na siya. Okay, that's good. And then let's X. Tanggalin natin ano. Yan. You guys can see it na ba? Yun. Sige, wait lang. Accept ko na kayo ha. Dami na kagad oh. 39. Hey, what happened? What happened, Bella? Vampire, right? TW, Minguin? I know that. Who's that? Buti nag-live ka na. Yeah, actually, I'll go out later. That's why. I just finished, mag-Valo. Pero, like, they're asking me to play for Roblox. Ha? Oh. Yan na ha. Follow, na lahat. Oh. Ano muna? Wala pa akong Roblox. Ako lang yan. Ayaw pa kita yung pagmumukha. Hindi ko pa nga na, Si Kadri nandito. Kadri! Sali ka? Gusto mo? What game should we play, guys? Yo, let's play Grow Garden. I love Grow Garden na. Dami nag-Grow Garden, oh. Hey. Who is this TW Minguin? I think I know this. Kilala ko ata siya. Should we just, sali sa mga nag-Grow Garden right now? Kasama tayo dito kay Luciano. Username ko guys, Jeromy. Jeromy 02. Is it Jeromy? Yeah, I think Jeromy 02. I think it's Jeromy, like with the I. Hello Poso. Ba't ganyan boses mo? Just woke up po. Kakagising lang. Sorry. Tulog pa yung boses ko. Inline 2. What do you mean? Bruh, go out. Your garden. Sali kayo sa akin ha. Ooh, there's so many people playing Grow Garden right now. Ito guys, so it's Jeromy Salaman. Sali na kayo. Ang dami kagad oh. Wow! Mga mayayaman pala nandito. Where's my garden? Hey! What happened? Ooh, bang. Dami ko nakuha. What's this? Thank you so much. Whoa, this is so big. Ang laki nung nandun, hindi ko makuha. Pakainin muna natin. Wow, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift. Pakainin muna natin sila. Kasi baka kumakain, bago gutom na sila. Wow! Ang dami nilang inaano sa akin, oh. Sige, benta natin yan. What is this? Yo! What? Ang laki na ito, guys. Like, what? I want to sell this. I have 1 billion na. Whoa, that's amazing. Ano pangalan mo sa Roblox, kuya? It's Jeromy02. Wow. How much is this? Whoa, this is too much. Ni-spoil nyo na naman ako eh. Tara, kuha tayo seed dito. Uy, ang daming seed. Ay. Ang daming stock dito. Guys, stop giving me na. Nawawalan kayo eh. I'll get this 5. Garden muna tayo. Wow, ang laki ng mango niya. Kasi mga seed. Yo, what is this? Eh, what's that? So big. What's that? 80.10 kilogram? Let's go sell that. Wait, not this one. Whoa. Laki naman na ito. Eh! Grabe mga binibigay niyo. $32 million. I mean 33. That's amazing. Ang bilis naman mag-ano. Ang bilis magkaroon ng ano. I'll give this to my pets. GG. Okay. Got disconnected. Guys, I got disconnected. What happened, Bella? Oh my god, I got disconnected. Sayang. It's my, ano pa naman? It's my server. And in line 17, what do you mean? It's my server. Never mind, I'll just join. Whoa, 9. Okay, I'm the richest. I'm the richest here. Look at my money. Ah. Hey, let's expand my What is this? Why is it so big? Look at that, it's so big. What is this? Ama, feed, GG. Should have finished to it all. This is easy. Where can I put this? I'll put it here. Hello. Ano kaya to? Outfit. No. Where's my baby boy? Come here. Hey. Sino to? Okay, I'll join you guys. Spoil ka nila. Sino yan? Wow, 60.4 billion. That's amazing! Kaya di ko mahanap ang alam mo. Agoy. Jeromy, be sure to put yung user mo. Yeah, actually, that's right. Palakihin muna natin yung mga iyanan natin. Gutom pa rin si Gigi. Like what? Yo, you ate so many na. Grabe si Queen niya. Ang hirap ang dyan actually, yeah. Lagyan mo water. I don't know how to, kuha water. Huh? Guys, hindi pa rin siya nabubusog si Gigi, oh. Ba naman yan? Grabe ka na. Natulog ka ba? Yes, natulog ako. Yun yung pollinated na fruit bigay mo. Eh, what? Hindi ko na nakita. Oh, ano to? Hello po. Thank you. I'm gonna sell this. Wow. Let's go to my garden. Wow, what's that? Laki na nito, oh. Hey. Punta nga tayo sa seeds. Ano mga stock? Apple seed, yay! We only have one. Oh, they have cactus seed. I'm gonna get this. And then, yeah, that's it. Okay. Therefore, I'll just go to my garden and then let's plant this. Let's plant this here. Then cactus is here. Then this one here. Wala na. May extend pa ba to? Yeah. Yay. My garden is so big na. Laro muna tayo ng iba guys para makapagsali lahat. Ang dami na kagad ng friend request. Chill. It's so hot. Bagong gising yata siya. Actually, tama yun. I know, right? Parang kagabi lang eh. Hindi ako bilyonaryo. Why is it nag-click like that? Ito na guys, na-accept ko na kayo. Chill lang. Look, 53. It's Jeromy02 guys. My username is Jeromy02. I wanna play Murder Mystery. No, actually not that. Survive the Killer. Let's play this. Do I need to pay for it? Yes, of course I need to pay for it. Ang mga naglalaro ba na friends? Wala, okay. So let's join here. Guys, join sa akin if you wanna play with me. Me please. Let me be the killer. Ah, so sad. Ano pwede tawag sa'yo? Jiro Jiro, syempre. She's scary. Ah! My god, who is this? Why are you here? Yo, don't be noisy. Why is he camping there? So boring. Camping siya eh. Oo, camping siya. Ang daya niya. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Yo, don't kill me, don't kill me. I'm nice, I'm nice, I'm nice. Nice work, everybody. Ang ingay naman nito, bukas na bukas yung ano. Oh no! Oh no 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 no. Come here. Oh no, I'm dead. Yo, someone help me here. Thank you so much. Oh no, he's here. Oh no. No, you know what? I'm not gonna go there na. Ang dami ko nung na ano. Ba't ito nasunod sa akin? Wow, ang weird ng mata ko. We just need 1 minute and 40 seconds. Isa na lang buhay ko eh. Nah, bro. No, no, no. I'm not gonna die here. I'm not gonna die here. I'm not gonna die here. Oh, you're so close. No, 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 no. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Ah, 진짜. I want space love. Tagal. Ako. Ulo, isa na lang ako na. Ba naman yan? Oo. Patay na kagad dyan sa ilalim. Yo, what is that? What is that? Come here. I'll heal you. Hehe, I'm going to kill you. Come here. Oh no, he's here. Ouch. Not gonna die here. Come here. Hey, just unlock a new weapon, yay. He's down there. Ala! Sunod kasi kayo ng sunod eh. Come here. Come here, guys. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, bro. Yo, get out! I can't go in. Ay. Namatay ako, eh. Hihi! I'm alive. Got parkoured. Ay, panis. Savior. What's this? Patay na naman yun nandoon. Of course. I'll buhay you guys. Hanggat kaya ko. My god, I'm gonna die! Ay, go. Yo, someone help me down. Yo, someone help me here. Someone help me. I'm upstairs. I need help. Second floor. Yo, let's stay together, bro. We're gonna die. What's up, Moon? Bye, Moon. Defeated. I have a new, ano, buksan mo na. Bilisan mo. Hindi sila naggumagalaw, ah. Hindi sila gumagalaw. Yo, move. Patay ka na. Ano nangyari? Natulog ka ba, Jiro? Yes, natulog po. Oh, may bagay dito. Oh, patay na kagad yun. Oh, ang dami namatay dun, oh. Come here, come here, come here. Why go to me, bro? Don't kill me. I'm nice. Thank you so much. Why me again? Why me again, bro? Don't kill me, bro. Come here. Nah, bro, I'm gonna run muna. So, sinusundan kami. Hala, ba't ako sinusundan mo? Ay, naku. Ah! Ba naman yan? Ako sinusundan. Umalis ka dito. Takbo! Lolololol. I'm stuck! What is that? Hindi ako makatalon. Ba naman yan? Nakakainis naman. Dati ang galing-galing ko dito sa What Happened to Me na. Kaya nga eh. Papatayin ko kayo lahat kapag ako. Let's watch them. Ako naman yung killer, oh, please, oh. Ako naman, oh. Ba naman yan? Gusto ko maging killer, oh. Jeromy Caldero kayo. Pahiram ako. Hinahampas ko lang kayo. Meron. Katakot ka naman ba't mahampas. Why am I alone? What's up? Ah, nahulog. Ang dami na namamatay sa baba. Ginagawa nyo. Come here. Come here. Why you following me, Bella? Why are you following me, Bella? Bro, why you copying me, Bella? Someone help me here. Help. Yo, don't kill me. You're too bad. Okay, come here. Thank you so much. You're gonna die now. Thank you. Thank you for trying. Thank you. Help! We're in the basement. Okay, thank you so much. We're alive again. Let's go up. I can go up. Where are we going? Oh, they're dead. Boris gonna die na. I'm not gonna die again. Bro, I don't wanna die anymore. Come here. Yo, why you keep following me? Stop following me. Come here. Oh. Buhay na siya. Don't die. Baba pa rin kayo. Yes, we're here. Oh, si Kanito hindi natatakot. Yo, come here. Nah, bro, why me again? Bilis talaga nito magano. Ito, yehey. Di tayo. Run! Oh, I have... Lo, ba't ako talaga hinahabol nito? Nakakabihis ka na. Joke lang. Nakakainis na siya, oh. Ako lagi hinahabol. Yun. The exit is open already. I'm gonna go here. Yay! I'm alive! Yes, I'm alive! Yes, galing! Kung ako killer yun. Ako yung killer, ako na yung killer. Ay, siya na naman, ang swerte. Why you again? No. Hey, what's up? Nagit ka na ba? 20 pa rin eh. It's so hot in the Philippines. What time ako nagising? 12. 12:30. Ayun, patay na naman. You come here. Ang galing niya ito. Ang galing niya, men. Ala, nakita na ako. Ala. Come here. Ala, na dyan na siya takbo. Ang daming angkors na nandun. Tapos hindi na tumakbo ulo. Grabe siya mamatay, oh. Grabe siya mamatay, man. Ang dami nila namamatay. Bro, like, she's so good talaga, like, for real. Uy! Yo, chill, you need to chill. You need to chill, bro. Nah, I'm too good. Hey. Nah, why did you come here, bro? Pinunta niya sa akin, like what? Run! Change game. Hehe. Just gonna stay here. Anong game to? It's Survive the Killer. It's Survive the Killer, guys. Hey, look at that. Wala niya kung saan locker siya. Oy! Hey! Don't stab my position. Oh, Fiang is dead. Yo, what? It's open. Nah, I'm not gonna go here. Ako sana yung killer. Yo, what? What? Again? Desperado ka, balboy. We're not allowed to go out here. Desperado ka, balboy. Ah, no, bro. I don't wanna die. Oh no, we're gonna die. Yo, go up. Don't jump here. Nah, Bro, what's happening? What is money? Eh? Allah is coming! Come here, I'm gonna save you. Yes, you're alive again. Nah, bro, what are you doing? Why you dead there? Bro, I love Tungka talaga, like super. It's fire. No, bro, what are you doing here? Why did you kill me again, Amigo? Amigo, what are you doing, amigo? Come on here. I save you guys. Nah, I need to run. Come here. What? That's amazing. La. Ba naman yan? Ipal yung nakakainis. Ba't may kasi ganun pa siya? Ala, mamamatay na naman ako, ala. Sige, takbo. Ay, I'm upstairs na. Ba naman yan? Bakit ako? Ako lagi target eh, hindi ko na. Ay, naka. Suno cry, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna change game. Guys, change game ako, guys. Change game. Desperado ka, balbon. Balbon. Tumabi ka dyan. Tumabi ka dyan. Tara, horror tayo, horror tayo. Kung papapatay mo ba kami mga anchors? I'm a serial killer, of course. Doon ka na to, doon ka. Good to continue, climb. Guys, come join me. Hi, what's up? Yeah! Doon. Tumabi ka dyan. Tumabi ka dyan. Doon. Tumabi ka dyan. Diyan ka sa lobby ko, guys. Doon. Inspect. Crouch. Okay. I got you. Why am I alone?
I was waiting for you. I'm rather busy.
Yo, why am I
these last
alone? I'm not
summer.
gonna play this if I'm alone.
There are several cases of disappearances in a village. We will give you more information soon.
Yo,
Just
what
prepare
is
to get
this?
That's all. You can go.
It's Roblox, guys. It's Roblox. Yo, why am I alone? Nah, bro. Why am I alone? Aray ko po. Uy, yo, what's that?
Hello, can you hear me?
No, I
Guess
can't
the
hear you.
director explained the situation. I know you are a very competent investigator, but stay on your guard. This case is really strange. Let me know if you find anything.
Okay, I'll find anything. Don't worry. Tampo ka sa usa. Mag-isa lang talaga ako dito. Oh, what's that? If mag-isa lang talaga ako dito, then I'll live here. Attack on Titan Revolution, guys. Let's go play this. I love AOT. Desperado ka, balbon. Hey, what's this? Select last one. Hey. Guys, halika dito. Ito kakulay natin. Hindi naman. Ito lang. Hindi, ano tayo? Height. Ito tayo. Hair. Hey, that's cute. Yeah. This is fire, bro. Wow. I want to. Whoa. Sasabiw. Let's play na. Town Central. Makakasama na ito, man. Desperado huli ka, balbon. Hey. Wait, what? Ano yan? Whoa. Oh! Nasa Shiganshina na tayo. Shiganshina! Ay, naka. Wow. Whoa, that's amazing! Wow! Ang gusto mo nitong laron to. Wow! Sasaki, where's my... What's happening? What's happening? Ang gusto mo nitong laron to. Angas. Sabihin ko nga ito kay Marcos ng laron to. Wow! That's amazing. Kaya niya mabilis. Punta nga ako sa wall. This game is so amazing, guys. Oh, I got eaten! Oh my god! Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm not. Wow, that's amazing. Ano yun? I don't know what to do na here. Okay, I'm gonna leave this game now because I don't know what to do with that game. But it's amazing. So guys, ah, ano yun? Ophelia? Kakalaro ko lang eh. Dapat mag-isa lang dun eh. Oo. Five nights and Freddy. Oh. Guys, I'll just accept you. Wow. I'll just accept you, but I'll accept you guys now and then I'll eat lunch na. Ang dami yung nag-open na. Ay, nawala. Ano siya na? Accept ko lang kayo guys. Ito, end ba live na? See, dami nyo nag-add. Wala yung nagkumalaw. So yeah, that's it for this live guys. I'm not sure if makapag-live ba ako mamayang gabi. So yeah.